Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We're going to go over 12.1 very quickly. You should be very familiar how to do gizmos, but just in case, I'm going to go through and make sure everyone understands how to get into Explore Learning to see your gizmo and what to do once you get in. Um, First of all, step one says make a copy of your student lab sheet. This is where you put all your answers, and this is what you upload for your grade, okay? So you click on that, make a copy, you're good to go there. You type directly on it. Um, Once you're done with this, upper right-hand corner, don't forget to share. You can either type in and share with me via email, or you can change the general access to anyone with link. And then once you're done with that, copy the link, paste it in for your for your assignment, or you can upload this Google Doc from your Google Drive if you're able to do that on your Chromebook. All right. So just to revamp and go over this, because I still have a few students who are still having some issues getting in, just making sure you understand everyone's username is Cy-Thornton. Make sure you spell my last name correctly. A lot of you leave the N out, but it's Thornton. So type in the username. The screen should look exactly like this picture here. Just your username, that's all you put in. Then you're going to go to find your name by clicking on which class you're in. There are two sections, Earth Science 1 and Earth Science 2, and they are according to how your last name is. So if your last name starts with A through M, you are Earth Science 1. If your last name starts with N through Z, you're in Earth Science 2. Click on that, select your class, and then step 4 is you're going to find your name. Your name should be there in alphabetical order by your first name. So find your name, click on your name, and this step 5 is where you enter your password. Your password is similar to your other DPS logins: 2 digits for month, 2 digits for day, 4 digits for year. Go ahead and enter that. Once you do that, you more than likely is going to ask you to click on your class again, and then you're going to get into your class and you're going to find a list. There's going to be a list of gizmos that are available for the class throughout the whole semester, and actually the whole school year, and you're going to find the one you're working on. The one you're working on for this one is weathering. So you want to go in and find the weathering gizmo, um, and click on that gizmo. How to actually use gizmos is you have to start the simulator. That's what you're using, okay? So you need to click on the launch gizmo. There's a couple ways you can launch a gizmo. Most times you're looking for a orange circle with a spaceship in it. Once you click that, it launches the gizmo to actually be active so you can interact with it. Okay. You are to answer your questions on the lab sheet that I provide, unless it's a Schoology assignment where you go interact with Schoology. If not, you do not answer the questions underneath the gizmo simulator. Do not mess with those questions. Okay. Again, when you're done, you're going to upload your sheet. And that's basically what you do here. I'm going to go into Gizmos right now. I'm already in it. Let me get out of it. I'm going to log in my way. So mine looks different than yours, obviously, because I have the account of the class. So let me get in first. All right. So if you are in Earth Science, this is how Earth Science wants to look. You're going to have a list of gizmos, as you can see, and you can either click on the thing or you can launch it automatically by the orange spaceship. So if you click on it like this, then you need to launch it there. All right, now it's launched. It's loading up. And now you basically go into your student lab sheet now. All right, and you are going to interact with it from there. So you're going to read what it tells you on your student lab sheet. If it tells you, starting with the gizmo warm-up, to go to the actual gizmo and click on things, select things, do that, click play, let it run, then answer the question that coincides with that. So keep going with that until you finish the sheet. And then you're going to turn this in to me. Again, how I said to go make sure you share the link, give me access to the link before you give me the link for your assignment or upload it through um, your Google Drive. All right. So that is this assignment. If again you have any questions ever about these things, please don't hesitate to email me, Schoology message me, or come to class on Fridays at 10:30. I have the room open. If no one shows up until about 11 o'clock, I close the room, but I'm normally there from 10:30 to 11. So please, if you have questions, concerns, please come into the room Fridays at 10:30. And also you can make an appointment with me. If you go to the homepage of the class, there's an appointment calendar here you can click on to make an appointment with me on Fridays in the afternoon from 2:15 to 3:12. Or if you scroll further down, you can make an appointment with me here also if you need to. All right. And that's it. I will see you all later. Bye bye.